welcome to Marxist. We have recently launched a people search version 2 where we have improved so many things. Previously the filter were 10 to 12 filters, and now we have upgraded the number of filters to 39 filters. And previously the filter was taking so much of time to do the search. Now it's quite better, much more better than the previous one. So let's start to implementing. Like in job titles, previously there was a restriction of only 10 job titles. Over here you can go up to 100 job titles, and you can also exclude the job titles, specific job titles. You can go with if you search with some keyword of job titles, they if they are contains in the person's job title, they will be showing in the search result. You can do exact matching of the job title or kind of similar of the job titles. So let's go with an example. Let's say head of marketing, and you can also type the company name. You can exclude some company, you can include different locations, or you can do exclude. So let me say India, and you can also add, like if you search for several companies, you can set how many percent do you want from each company. Then you can also set types and business model, keywords, employee headcount, industry, technologies, revenue, fundings, then headcount growth, headcount by departments, headcount by location, founded years, and etc. etc. So if I do the search, you can see the result have come. You can click on the person name, you will get all his data. You can reveal his contact information like email and phone number, and over the company you will get all the data about this company, like every data, the technologies they are using. And you can also set your preferred column. Let's say you don't want the column employee count, you can remove it. You want the department, you can check it. You want LinkedIn, you can do check it, so that it will be visible as per your need. And over here you can also save the search results. So by clicking the saved, by putting the search result, then you will get the search result. By selecting all the people, you can do bulk reveal also, and you don't need to wait to complete the process and staying in the same screen. You can change the screen, you can move into another screen also, because the process will run in the background, so you don't need to vary uh, and wait for the process. It will automatically done in the background. And there is also an option. Let's say you have a list of company and you want to upload that company CSV or Excel file. So let me upload an CSV file which contains some company. So you have to map with the column name that are there in your CSV. So I have the column name as company name in the CSV, so I am selecting this one. You can also add the targeted designations. Then you can add two filters, so every company and all the job titles will be added. So let me search it again. You can see over here, and you can reveal their informations like email ID and phone number. And there is also an option where if you have the person LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn URL, then you just put the LinkedIn URL over here and you will get the data of that person likewise. Then nextly we also have launched a new CSV enrichment system. So in the new CSV enrichment system, there are two separate options. So first one is direct enrichment, where let's say you have a list of LinkedIn URLs. So you select that LinkedIn URL, that Excel file or CSV file. Let me select. So as our preferred column is the LinkedIn URL, so as we also have the phone number, we are ignoring this column. We are just picking up the LinkedIn URL and map it out with the column. And there is 4 main options. So let's say in email in enrich person data. So what happened whenever you put an LinkedIn URL, there is two options mainly. Either you get with the full data of that person along with the contact information, or if you just need the contact information, you just turn off this and go for the contact information. And if you want the enrich person data with alongside with the contact information, you just select and put on both. And if you want to create a list after completing the enriching or revealing the profile contact information, you can turn this on. And whenever you click on start enrichment, it will do the start enrichment, and it will run in the background, so you can move around and you will get all the information, all the data in the history bar. And you can download in the CSV or you can view the result. And let's move to the next option, which is company search. So you have two options: either you use this CSV enrichment, or you can directly upload the company name as I have shown you earlier, like this, so that you have a broad option to search, to load more. If there is more data, you can load more data. You have broad option to apply filters, but over here you also get the filters. So you come over here, you select the Excel file, you first map it out, then you also get the filters over here, and you have to choose how many candidates do you want to get per company. So let's start enriching. So, and make sure the company name is accurate, because if the company name is not accurate, then there will be some problem in getting the person's data. So as you can see, we got enriched our data. You can see the person data, company informations, the technologies, and you can also reveal their contact information, like you can go for email, phone, or both. And you can also create list. So the option of force refetching is like, if you have the data which is kind of older, you can forcefully refetch those data from the vendor again. And that's all.